Hi guys, welcome back to the channel and to a quick unboxing of this VanBanner Adroit. It's the second VanBanner watch I've taken a look at the channel, and a quick disclaimer, LV did send me this watch for free. It's just an unboxing and then I'll do a review in a couple of weeks. First of all, big up to LV for this. It arrived in a little tin jar, reusable, but also doesn't take up a lot of space. Environmentally friendly. We like that. I don't really care about big boxes. They take up too much space in the closet, and also it's not good for the environment, guys. We send too much watches all over the place as it is. Polishing cloth, nicely embossed, and down here somewhere there we have the watch itself. Do we have something else in here? Foam, and instructions. I'm sorry, LV, I won't read this. Now this is a GMT watch. Yeah, he sent me the black dial. Nice. GMT watch running the Seiko NH34 movement. He always does his own thing. Quick unwrapping and then we'll be back. And there we are, all unwrapped. Some nice texturing to that dial, sandwich dial, dated the 430. We have a push-pull sign crown. I think it's loomed. On the PM it was loomed. Let's see if it's loomed on this one as well. VanBanner etched into the side. Solid link bracelet, quick release, seems to be very, yeah, that's gonna be comfortable. NH34 see-through case back, signed rotor, it seems. Interesting case back. We have a deploying clasp, as so many watches seems to have right now. That's nice. And do we have it's a 48 click, I think, but is it, yeah, bi-directional, as a GMT is supposed to have. Aligns nicely, and the only thing left to do is put it on my roughly 16.5 17 centimeter wrist. And oh geez, that's a lot of spare links to take out. So I guess a very big wrist can wear this as well, but nice and compact. I think it's about 46mm lug to lug. Wears well on my wrist, but it's a chunky one, so I think it's gonna wear well on a bigger wrist as well. Plenty of links to take out. So the LV Adroit review coming as soon as possible. And that's it for this time, guys. Until next time, stay safe, please like and subscribe, and bye bye.